Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Natasha Amelia Putri and my friend.
My name is Diva Anggraini.
And I'm Atanaswan Pratama.
I want to show the presentation about civil service and bureaucracy law, and the title are rights and obligation of state civil apparatus at or ASN. Definition and purpose of the ASN law definition is a law that regulates the provision of civil servants and government employees with work agreement who work in government institutes. The purpose of law number 20 of 2023 concerning the state civil apparatus or ASN law is to transform ASN management in order to create a professional, high-performing, integrity-based and natural bureaucracy. This allows to improve the quality of public service, implement a merit system, and access the restructuring of honorary workers. The regulation of ASN law number is this law regulations the transformation of ASN management, the equalization of rights between civil servant or PNS and government employee with work agreement or P3K, included compensation and pension the settlement of honorary workers no later than December 2024 and digitalization of bureaucracy. ASN law as referred to in Article 21, paragraph 2, the component of reward and recognition of ASN employee consists of income, motivation, rewards, allowance, and facilities, social security, work environment, self-development, legal assistance. The enactment of law number 20 of 2023 also emphasizes the prohibition of appointing honoring employees and non-ASN employees in government institutes. Definition ASN rights and obligation are authority, power, interest, and granted and protected by law, both individually and collectively. The right refers to something this proper and deserves to be reserved so the ISN can carry out duties and responsibility, probably increase productivity, ensure and maintain accountability. Part 1 rights, Article 21, ISM employs the right to receive rewards in material and material forms. The component of rewards and recognition consists of until individual elements and facilities. Next, social security consists of health insurance, war accident insurance, death insurance, pension insurance, all age security. War environment may include physical, non-physical, self-development, legal assistance, and the president might adjust the component of rewards by consider the state financial. ASN rank itu So, Article 22, pension and old age benefit paid after ASN employees stop working. Pension old age benefits profit as protection for continued old age and recognition of service. These benefits are profit through the National Social Security System, funding source from the government, and fertile provision regarding pension. Next, uh, to Diva, take your time.
Next, explanation of ASN rights. 1. Salary. The government is obliged to pay fair and proper salaries to ASN and P3K employees and ensure their welfare. Salaries are paid according to workload, responsibilities, and job risks. Salaries for ASN and P3K employees working in the central government are recorded to the state budget. Will those working in regional government are carried to the regional budget. Next, to allowance. In addition to basic salaries ASN and P3K, employed receive allowance such as family allowance, position allowance, food allowance, other allowances. Examples include spouse allowance of 5 of the basic salary, child hours of 2 of the basic salary for child, for maximum of the child rates. Performance are based on work performance and cost of living allowance based on regional fixed index. 3. Leave. Leave is an permit absence from work for a 13 period. Leave is granted by the personal supervisor officer who have authority over appointments, transfers, dismissals, and management of ASN employees. Type of leaves include annual leave. Civil servants who have worked for at least 1 year continuously are extended leave. Civil servants who have worked for at least 4 consecutive years may recover extended leave of up to 3 months. Sick leave. Sick leave from I to 1 to the request
Sorry,
I
Diva,
will.
you can presentation for guarantees and protection.
ASN applause for rights are added to present and all business. This business service as ICOM protect in all IG and as routing of service. Pensions may be granted when employed pass out, retire voluntary with certain requirements. Requirements experience early retirements due to organization restricting. The government must also provide protection include health insurance, accident insurance, death insurance, legal assistance related to job. Next.
Next, to Athanasian, take your time about presentation definition of ASN obligation.
Okay, so definition of ISN obligation. ISN obligation are responsibility that must be carried out by employees as part of their professional duties. Article 24. ISN employee must be loyal to Pancasila, the 1945 Constitution, and the Republic of Indonesia. Comply with laws and regulation. Implement ISN core value and code of ethics. Maintain neutrality. Be willing to be assigned anywhere in Indonesia or abroad. Employees who violate this obligation will face disciplinary sanction. Government institution must enforce discipline among ISN employees. Article 25. Further provision regarding ISN right and obligation are regulated in government regulation. Explanation of ISN obligation. ISN obligation include taking the civil servant out, taking the position out, being loyal to Pancasila and the Constitution, complying with laws and regulation, performing duties with dedication and responsibility, upholding the dignity of the state and government, prioritizing national interests, maintaining official confidentiality, working honestly and carefully, reporting matters that may harm the state, until being willing to work anywhere in Indonesia. Conclusion. ASN REC includes all forms of facilities, protection, and welfare provided by the state to government employees. This right aim to ensure welfare, security, and motivation for ASN in carrying out public service duty. ASN right include salary and allowance, leave, pension, and old age guarantee, legal protection, competency development, and career advancement opportunity. With this right, ISN employees are expected to work professionally, optimally, and with integrity.
Conclusion yaitu conclusion or our ASN right include all forms of the facilities protection and welfare provided by the state to government employees. This right aim to ensure welfare, security, and motivation of ASN in carrying out public service duties. ASN right include salaries and allowance, leave, pension, and all age guarantee, legal protection, competency, development, and career advancement opportunity. With this right, ASN employees are expected to work professionally, optimally, and with integrity. These obligations include loyalty to Pancasila and Constitution, perform duties honestly, responsibility, provided by and professional public service, maintaining political neutrality, and obeying laws and ethical codes. Thank you so much for attention. I want to end to show presentation. See you next lecture.